In this video, we are going to install Imagebon 9.3 Dash Cam Stereo with Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. So here we have the main unit. It's a 9.3 inch IPS touchscreen. This here is where you hook your mounting brackets. You have two choices, the suction cup mount and your standalone mount. This is equipped with dual dash recording. Here we have your front camera, which records at 4K with a 175-degree wide angle. The front camera is adjustable according to your needs. You would plug in your rear camera right in here, which records at 1080p with a 120-degree wide angle. This here is your speaker, and this here is your reset button. Here we have your GPS port. This is where you plug in your GPS module. This is where you put your SD card, which supports up to 128 gigs. Here's your AV input, which is where you'll plug in your rear camera. And we have your USB-C port, which you would plug in your power supply. On the other side, you have another aux port and a USB-A port. And on the top side is your power button. For this install, I'm going to go ahead and use the base mount, which you simply put into the grooves here and push up to lock into position. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. I'll be replacing my old unit and running the wires behind this speaker. This is your home screen. We're gonna go ahead and set up the dash cams first. Just tap on that. And here is your rear dash cam. You can go ahead and swipe to your left and you can see the front and the rear. Swipe to your left again and just the front. Right now it looks like it's not aligned. We're gonna go ahead and change that by lifting the camera. Alright, that looks pretty good right there. You can adjust horizontal and vertical. Now we're going to go ahead and go to settings. We're going to change the system settings first. ADAS is Advanced Driving Assisted System. We're going to go ahead and leave that on. Streaming media controls whether the preview memory mode or the post recording mode is displayed when the device is turned on. Projection mode or split, switchable between split screen mode and full screen mode when using CarPlay or Android Auto. Restart of device is required. We're going to go ahead and do that later. You can change your time zone. I do have my GPS connected, so I don't need to worry about that. You can change your speed unit. We are miles per hour. You can make your screen go to sleep, either 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or leave that off. Check the status of your memory card. I have not used anything yet. You can choose your language. You can manually change your time. And driving habit. US is left-hand driving. We're going to go back. We're going to go to video settings. Resolution ratio at 2K. We're going to go ahead and change that to 4K. Video duration. The length of pre-recording and post-recording video can be set within 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, with 1 minute being the default option. You can switch your video recording format. Collision sensitivity. The recorder has a built-in sensor and the sensitivity can be set to low, high, medium, or off. If there's a vibration during recording, the machine will record a 20-second video and save it in the emergency recording folder. Preview mirror switches the post-recording preview. And sound recording controls whether or not to record sound during video recording. You have brightness, day, night, or auto. Audio, you have your volume control, defaults at 21. Your key sound, that's when you tap things, and this would be your boot sound. This is your Wi-Fi information to connect to Wi-Fi. You can format your memory card, restore to factory settings, and information about your device. This here is your files where all the recordings are kept. We have your front camera video, front camera photos, and your front emergency videos. Rear camera video, rear camera photos, and rear emergency videos. It is equipped with an FM transmitter where you can use the speakers of your car or the speaker within the device. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect to Android Auto. We're going to search with our Android phone via Bluetooth. I'm going to go ahead and continue with setup. And we're all set.
The lane departure. The lane departure. Attention to the front car.
If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.